Hi lovelies, I'm doing how to baby boomer nails using Polygel today. So it's like a French fade ombre today, and I'm using my non-dominant hand to work on my dominant hand, so might be a bit faffy. And I'm using Naio. I've got Naio's Acrygel, which is rose water and just a wisp. So that's the lightest pink you could possibly imagine. So you can just see there, it's a slight shade of pink. But I've done this hand and I wanted them to be more natural white rather than, well, as you can see, pale pink. But I haven't got like a milky white in this. I've only got bright white. So this just a wisp is great for it. And then I've gone over the top with confetti, which is a glitter gel polish from Naio. I've got my base and top. I've got dehydrator and acid-free primer, which is a must for me when I'm wearing extensions. I need a primer. And then I'm going to use some alcohol with this. So I'll prep my nails first. So yeah, so I'm using almond tips to extend them. Yeah, I was quite happy with them, so I thought, well, I'll film this hand and show you. So I'm just pushing back that proximal fold just to get as much nail plate as I can, and I'm going to go around with my e-file and a small sanding band just to make sure I've got any cuticle off and rough up the surface a little bit. Quite gentle. That's it. Just going to take off any rough bits, basically. Hard skin. Got little black marks on that. That's from where I bashed my finger last time I had nails on. That's why I'm going for the almond, because I think it's easier to bash square nails than it is when they're shaped in. So I'm just going to use this. It's got a small sanding band on it. I only want it on about 3. And I'm going to do it in reverse, because I'm going to come this way. So I've got this just to rest my hand on. Push that off, and then alcohol. So they're all ready. I don't have to do much because I keep on top of my cuticles anyway. So I've got some almond tips. I'm just going to size these up. These are really big, so sort of quite small. This one's even number 9. No, 6. Right, my finger bends, look. You see it goes off to one side. So you've 2 choices with that. You can either match with the where the finger's going, so it goes off like that. But I don't like that look when they're all together. So I'll straighten it up a bit with that one. So I'm going, so it looks like a weird angle, but it has to go quite a way down because I don't have any side wall there. So it practically covers the nail, to be honest. But I'm just going to straighten it up a little bit so it's better when it's done. So that'll do. So I just stick these on with some ordinary glue. Now I'm just going to use my e-file to take the shine off and thin that join down a little bit. I've got it in forward. So I'll show you with the thumb. So I'm just using no. So nail prep dehydrator. That's that. Acid free. On there. And let the fun begin. So I've used the dehydrator and primer, so now I'm just going to go in with the very, very thin base coat. So wipe as much of that off as I possibly can. And now a tiny bit of this light pink, this just a wisp, a little bit on there. A bit of alcohol. I'll just make sure that's cured, listen. And now, rose water. I'm going to get behind it. Yeah. Actually, I want a bit more height up here, so I'm going to pull that back. So, feather that off. And pat this down. There we go, I've got plenty on the end to file. Might need a little bit more in there, but I want to cure that first. I'm just going to put the tiniest bit up there. There we go. So they're all done. So I'm just going to wipe off that tacky layer. Oh no, I've just shown you I've still got my dressing gown on. It's Sunday. you go. So shape a bit first. Find it easier when you're doing your other hand, or the wrong hand, just to move your hand instead of the file. Because this is a dominant hand that I'm moving now. Thinning down the end. I'm just going to use this sponge. Right, so wash my hands. I'm going to use this confetti now. Right, so I'm just giving them a bit of cuticle oil. May as well do the other hand as well. When I went down last night and showed Phil these, he said, "Are they your own nails?" That's how observant he is. I said, "No," but it was good. It was what I had achieved what I was aiming for, put it that way. So my right hand isn't as nice as the left hand, but I think that's to be expected, really. So yeah, I do like this rose water for the nail bed though. I think it's nice. So I think they look subtle and clean. If I keep them moving, nobody will know that hand's not as good. The white's not as far down as it should be and things, but yeah, I like them. So if you want the colours, it's just a wisp, rose water and confetti for that one. So thank you all for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and like the video if you've enjoyed it, and leave me a comment. Means the world to me, and I will see you next time. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.